Hey guys! Today, we're diving into a laptop that claims to be both a powerhouse and planet-friendly. Meet the Acer Aspire Vero 16, the laptop made from recycled plastic. But can it recycle your expectations too? Let's find out. The Aspire Vero 16 isn't your typical silver slab. It's built with 40% post-consumer recycled plastic, giving it that signature speckled look. Unique? Yes. Premium? Surprisingly, also yes. The chassis is solid, the hinge is smooth, and even the keyboard feels clicky and satisfying. You get a 16-inch Wuxka IPS display, with vibrant colors and thin bezels. It's not OLED, but it still punches above its weight, perfect for media consumption, editing, or just binge-watching your favorite shows. Under the hood, it's packing Intel Core Ultra processors with Intel Arc graphics, smooth multitasking, video editing, even light gaming. Paired with 16GB RAM and fast SSD storage, performance is no issue. Battery life? Expect around 10+ hours of real-world use. You also get Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, USB-A, and even a full-size SD card slot. No dongles needed. Acer's VeroSense software lets you adjust performance to save energy, and the packaging is 100% recyclable. Even the keyboard font is designed to save ink. That's some eco-nerd level detail. So, should you buy the Aspire Vero 16? If you want a powerful, practical laptop that's also kind to the planet, this might be your perfect match. Hit that like button if you love eco-tech, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.